came out so cute. And I'm gonna wait for the lipsticks to dry down a little bit, and then I'm gonna show you guys how to make the lipstick also shiny and like that wet look. Hi guys, welcome back to another coffee morning vlog. Let's get into it. Do on this channel is to sit down, do my makeup, and gossip at the same time. If you guys like content like that, then I highly suggest to like and subscribe to this channel. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a quick look, then we're gonna hang out a little bit. It's Saturday morning. I don't know why it's so dark out. It's like literally like 11 a.m. and it's still like dark and it just looks weird and gloomy. But today I want to show you guys how to achieve that kind of like a wet, dewy look. I'm going to use my blush and highlighter palette. So everything I'm showing you guys can purchase on my website, EllieArket.com. This is my blush highlighter palette. Literally, if you buy one of these things, it's going to last you for years. I've been using the same freaking palette like for 2 years now, I think. We have 3 blushes, 3 highlighters, and we have light to the darkest. Sometimes I contour my skin with this as well during summertime to kind of get that glow. Today, I want to show you guys how to use the lightest one to get that wet look, but you have to use like water and spray to get that, you know, wet look, because my products are very mild. So
I'm joking.
I wanted to create a product that is going to be like for people that kind of want that natural look. They don't want to put a blush on where it's going to be like really intense. So it's like buildable. I put my eyelashes down. Oh, if you guys are interested in my eyelashes, these are vegan, 100% vegan. Is 100% handmade from silk, so you're not gonna have any allergic reaction, and they're gorgeous. So everything I'm showing you guys can purchase on my website, EllieArket.com. I have an amazing skincare system. I've already done it off camera because I want to kind of make a quick video for you guys because I'm busy. I have to do other videos for the other channels that I've been kind of like neglecting. So I have this amazing 4-step skincare system. We have a 24 karat gold collagen soap. This is anti-aging, anti-wrinkle. It's 100% collagen. It has gold in it. This is for face and body. It has this really beautiful, elegant, like rose scent to it. You wash your face with this, you wash your body with it. It hydrates your skin, it's anti-aging, it's anti-wrinkle because it's 100% collagen. So it's going to promote collagen in your skin, which is like the biggest thing that you need to fight aging. Hydrates, gets rid of pigmentation. Like there's different parts of your body that are dark. That's going to get rid of it. The day serum and night serum, they're literally like magic in a bottle. They're like erasers. It gets rid of acne scars, age spots, sunspot. It brightens your complexion. You get like a very even tone skin tone. Someone asked me, can I use it if I have black skin? It's for all skin type. It doesn't matter what your skin color is or what skin type is, because they're so literally incredibly manufactured and created with the right ingredients for all skin types. And then we have this incredible 24 karat gold collagen face cream. This is fucking amazing. It's retinol, hyaluronic acid, avocado oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E. It is the most hydrating face cream. It's going to hydrate your skin all day long. So I highly suggest you guys the skincare products, because look, I'm sitting in front of you with no makeup on. You guys can tell, right? What I want to talk to you guys about really quickly is that I basically well, I don't know if you guys know people that are coming here. I don't know if you guys know me. I know a lot of you guys are coming to me from my other channels and stuff like that. But when I first started on YouTube, I was a paranormal channel because I'm a psychic medium and I talk to ghosts and stuff like that, and I'm just like, that's my life. They're always around me. I could be sitting here talking about, you know, Versace or Chanel and try to be bougie about makeup, and then there's like a ghost behind me. Like I put it in, they're always here. They're always around me. Like spirits are always around me. So anyways, that's what the channel was about. And then what happened was I fell into reading for Selena, Justin, and Hailey, and a lot of the Selenators, you know, came to my channel and they were just like, so, you know, oh my god, you're so amazing, like I can't believe, you know, you see things like ahead of time. So I started reading on them. So I had this huge like prediction, basically based on whatever that I've seen over the years. I've been on YouTube for like 3 years now, and so I recently predicted, like I did a really quick reading on Selena, Justin, and Hailey, and basically I saw that Selena was really sick, and I couldn't figure out what the hell was wrong with her. And I keep getting the Four of Swords and the Tower. So the Four of Swords in the tarot is basically like when someone's resting, when someone is like taking a mental break, taking a physical break, which I really need myself. And I was like, yeah, what is wrong with her? Like, why do I keep getting this? So I kind of got freaked out in the middle of the reading, and I was just like, oh my God, I think Selena's really, really, really sick. And I know that when she gets sick, it really bothers her because she's really young, you guys, and she had to be like dealing with all of this like health issues, which is like so gnarly at a young age. So it really affects her. It really affects her mood. It really affects like her self-esteem too, because she wants to be healthy. She's beautiful. She's talented. It bumps her out. So anyways, and then literally like a day later, I think when I published that video is on my other channel, which is called EllieArket Tarot. If you guys are interested in seeing, see me at work doing readings and stuff like that, that's where the channel is at. And basically, yeah, I just saw her like being really ill and stuff. So anyways, I predicted that she was sick. So then the next day it came out that she has COVID. And I was like, bro, I'm really happy that actually I got confirmation, because I was kind of getting, scared about what I was seeing, because I was just like, oh my God, is it her lupus? Like, is her lupus like, what's the word? I don't know. Like, I don't know if there's such a thing as like relapsing or whatever, but if her lupus gets really bad, because she has an autoimmune system, autoimmune deficiency, whatever it's called. So I just got really, really freaked out. And sometimes when I see things psychically about people and things, like, I don't want to, I don't want to say anything, and I don't want to really, continue reading, because I'm a huge believer in manifestation. So if I see something bad about Selena or somebody that I'm reading on, I don't want to really expose it too much, because I don't want a bunch of thousands of people watching it and then manifesting it for it to be like that. But in this case, like, I was right, and she was really, really sick. So hopefully she's going to get better. But yeah, I wanted to talk to you guys about what it's like to basically be psychic, because it's a really, really weird experience. You pretty much are born with it. It's not something like you learn. Of course you can learn how to do the cards and things like that, but I know a lot of you guys are like kind of fascinated with that. Like, what is my, what do I do? Like, how do I do it? Like, how do things come to me and stuff like that. So basically what happens is that I get downloads. So I could be like sitting in the car, like driving to the grocery store or whatever. All of a sudden I get image of something, a situation or a person, or since I'm always talking about celebrities and things like that, and I have this affinity with Selena Gomez. I don't know why. I have this affinity with her, and I start getting like downloads about them. So when I get the downloads, it's kind of like a weird thing. I'm just like going nuts with the eyeshadows. This looks really cute. Really cool, like, when you're psychic, that, you just basically get downloads and stuff like that. So, like, I was watching one of my old videos, like on my main channel, I like to do like spirit box sessions and readings and stuff like that on like missing people, like true crime cases and stuff. And then I did this whole series on like Gabby Petito and Brian Laundrie. I don't know if you guys are familiar with that, but I was watching one of my old videos last night. I was like, whoa, like I saw basically like how she died. And then it came out like in the news that she was like strangled, and everything I saw in my head was basically confirmed. Also, when I was doing readings like daily on Gabby Petito and Brian's case, I kept saying that I don't know why I see like 6 people. As the authorities are looking for Brian Laundrie, they're going to discover like 6 bodies, and I don't know if Brian Laundrie has anything to do with these people's deaths, but I see other bodies showing up. And then lo and behold, like, bodies were discovered while they were looking for Brian Laundrie. So it's really neat. I don't know, it's kind of like a neat thing to be psychic, because you get downloads, and then the cool thing about it is, like, if you see something, it basically, when you hear about it in the news and stuff like that, it becomes like you get confirmation. So I wanted to kind of talk about that a little bit, because some of you guys like email me or sometimes comment in my videos like, Ellie, I really want to, like, I feel like I have the gift and stuff like that, and like, what do I do, and how do I be like you, and how can I like get powers, or how can I get like strengthen my psychic abilities and things like that. And I think that basically my biggest advice to you is, I know in the beginning, like when I started like years ago, like, you don't know what you're seeing is true, so you feel kind of crazy. You're just kind of like, I don't know, like I just see this and I don't know if I'm right. So just, you have to start kind of being confident about what you're seeing, because that's where you just have to be like, I don't know if I'm correct, I don't know if this is true, but this is what I'm picking up and this is how I feel. And then just start practicing. And you can use tools like runes or cards, tarot cards, or pendulums and things like that, and start testing yourself. Just start kind of testing yourself to, you know, you also have to kind of establish like a relationship with spirit. Like ask your spirit guides, ask your angels around you to like give you, you know, like communicate with you somehow, give you dreams, or, you know, like I'm clairvoyant, clairsentient, clairaudient. What does that mean? That means that I can hear them, I can see them in my third eye, and I can feel them. You know, I saw Selena being really sick, and I was just like, I got really freaked out when I was doing the video, and then I realized that she has, like everybody told me the next day, like, oh my god, Ellie, she has COVID-19, and she canceled her appearance on Jimmy Fallon, and like you were right, and da. So anyways, I wanted to kind of talk about that, and I wanted to talk about like if anybody wants, you know, to strengthen their psychic abilities. Like not everyone is psychic obviously, but you can kind of develop abilities, or at least learn how to use tools like tarot cards and things like that to, you know, get better at it. I'm spraying some of my, you can do face mist, you can do anything. Because I'm really crazy about the sun, I'm using Ultra Sheer Face Neutrogena 55. So I just sprayed that down. So now I'm gonna go in with like a really fine highlighter brush. This is from ELF. This is a highlighter brush. And I'm going to go into my lightest highlighter here. I'm gonna put it right here. We're just gonna put it down right here. Look at the shine, you guys. So in order to get the highlighter, to get that kind of a wet, like really crazy, like high volume, like vibe, you want to wet your brush or your face with like face mist or whatever, something that is going to be able to like, so when you put this down, it's going to stick and it's going to give you that kind of a crazy shine. You guys see this? Like look how crazy this looks. If you want it to look this crazy, I just kind of want to make like a crazy look because it's like Halloween, almost Halloween. I was like, let me make something really fun. It's Saturday, I just kind of want to have fun with it. I'm going to put it in the corner of my eye like this. So since I have that spray on my face, it's just like really sticking. Do you guys see the difference? Like it's really sticking to my skin. And then sometimes I just like to go with my fingers really and just like really just go nuts. By NYX, this is Plush Red. I'm gonna put some lip liner down because I'm mixing colors and I wanna make sure it's gonna like be decent. It came out so cute, and I'm gonna wait for the lipsticks to dry down a little bit, and then I'm gonna show you guys how to make your lipstick also shiny and like that wet look. And I'm just gonna put it on lipstick. This is a Halloween-y like evening look. Like you're gonna look crazy if you go outside looking like this during the day. I'm just saying. Take what's left on my fingers and I just like put it on my cheeks because, you know, we're trying to look crazy, and that's what this is. Today's makeup is like all crazy, and for some reason it just like matches, like it's gorgeous. So anyways, that's what we have. We have two lipsticks that I mixed, Witch Kiss and Scarlet, and the eyeshadow and the blush and the highlighter, and we're just ready to roll. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video today, and I love you guys so much. Thank you for being here. If you guys want to practice becoming psychic, or if you want to practice you know, using cards and stuff like that, you can totally just start practicing, and then the more you do it, the better you'll get. And if you guys want to learn how to do, you know, the cards and stuff like that, you can watch my other channel, EllieArket Tarot. A lot of times as I'm reading and I'm pulling cards out, I always explain what the cards mean, how they have so many different definitions and things like that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope if this is your first time, I hope you guys are going to consider subscribing. We have a lot of fun. This is literally one of my favorite channels, and I just like really love sitting here first thing in the morning, drinking my coffee and hanging out with you guys and doing my makeup and gossiping, and I just love it so much. All right, I'll see you guys Monday for another coffee morning vlog, and we'll think about what to talk about. Hopefully by then it'll be some scandal, and I'll see you guys then. Well, I'll see you guys Monday.